What is up, YouTube? USMC Vet here. Chicky mamas having breakfast. The Muscovies having breakfast. The bunny cages are done. And we have 2 pregnant bunnies. And that's not the stud, but he's going to be. Anyways, thought I'd give you guys and gals a quick update. This is just one set of Muscovies. And the fam is out there because the drakes like to take the food away from the babies. So they're small enough to fit through the chain link. And so I feed them the same time I do the chickens. And on the other side of the rabbits, there's a run for them to pasture with that chicken mix that I showed you guys and gals a couple weeks back. So that's working. The little swingy thing is that I put the suet, S-U-E-T blocks in, suet, and just give them something to do. And once they figured it out, they'll take care of it in one day, because I usually get the ones with the worms in them. I can't think of them off the name, but they like those. The berry kind. They're actually for birds, other than chickens, because chickens are birds. But anyways, so that's the thing. That's what's going on. Got some up planting going on over here. I couldn't find these here are sea thornberry or something, little orange berries, and that they're the wind has knocked most of them down, but that's another plant, another 72 cell of Roma tomatoes. And then there we have yarrow, and let's see, yeah, that's about it for right now. But there's all the other Muscovies ducks. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. Been busy. We've got the roof on and a motion detector light, solar powered. All right, well, that's what we've been up to. Hope everybody's doing what they're doing. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Simplify Godspeed, and have a great day. Do something.